The Fish series is our most varied, with 5 floor plans and lots of options. Rear Fish. Need a versatile pontoon that says you love to fish? Rear Fish combines fishing and fun perfectly by providing 2 fishing chairs in the aft area while leaving the rest of the boat dedicated to cruising and hanging out. Rear Fish satisfies those 2 essential needs. Rear Fish is available in 16-foot, 18-foot, and 20-foot versions. This versatile pontoon is perfect for the family that wants to fish and play all day long. Bowfish dedicates 2 fishing chairs in the bow area of the pontoon. The aft portion of the pontoon houses a rear corner seating area with live well and a rear-facing bench. Bowfish can be personalized with tons of options, including sport performance packages. The Bowfish is available in 14-foot, 16-foot, and 18-foot versions, so whether you're looking for a large or a compact fishing boat, check out Sport Bowfish. Quadfish was designed to provide the optimal fishing experience for serious anglers. With a setup that includes 4 fishing stations, 2 in the bow and 2 in the stern, plus live well and rod holders, Quadfish is a great, roomy, balanced alternative to expensive, tipsy, flat-bottom fishing boats. And Quadfish is available in 16 or 18-foot versions, so it even has room for entertaining. Need a bit more room for your expanding group? Now you can have it all with Fishing Cruise, a perfectly balanced fishing and cruising pontoon. Fish from the bow chairs outside the front walls and feel right on top of nature, or from the rear 2 fishing stations located inside the rear rail. Or maybe relax in the fully furnished midsection with room for up to 6 adults. Fishing Cruise is a mid-sized treasure, available in 20 or 22-foot sizes. Perfect for a group outing every day of the week. Need a fishing option for your new pontoon? Then choose Cruise Bowfish. Sure, Cruise Bowfish has the classic cruise setup with roomy corner seating and removable table in the rear, plus the classic cruise sun decks off the stern. Cruise Bowfish offers the additional feature of 2 fishing chairs in the bow outside the wall. Offered in both 18-foot and 20-foot lengths, this compact option works for cruising, lounging, and of course, fishing. Sport highlight features include a Cadet 2 helm stand with full gauge cluster and cup holder, a bronze stereo system featuring Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, color match seat frame cladding, 23-inch pontoons, and Matrix 50 furnishings.